the 4th of July, 2020. It's a little dark outside. It's darker in my camera here. Sometimes we can see the fireworks over this way, but you can definitely hear them. That's Lexi, Jack, Leia. Come here, Leia. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Get it. Leia's got one of the balls. You're so funny. What do you got? You got your ball? They aren't bothered in the least by the fireworks. He's so silly. Leia. Jack. Leia. Lulu. I know I brought Lulu out here. Come here, Lulu. Woo woo. Ain't that pretty, girl? Hey, don't eat my fig bush. Come on. Here, quit that. Come here. Come on, Woo Woo. Woo Woo. I think Woo Woo went to go check on the sheep. Woo Woo, what are you doing? What are you doing, Woo Woo? What are you doing? Come here. Pretty baby. There's some fireworks down there. Come here. Come on, this way. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come here. Here. Hi, Leia. Here. Sweet baby. Hi, Lulu. Lily. Lily. Here. Come here, Lily. Lily, come. Here. Come on. Come on, Willie. Come on, Willie. Come on. Who are you after? No, you can't have that, Lily. Come on, let's go. Here, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, pretty baby. There's that pretty baby. Come on, Richard Puppy. Come on. I wish the lighting was a little better here. There's a big one. He's so cute. That's Jack. You pretty girl. Come here, woo woo. Come on. Hi, Waxy. Pretty girl. Come here. Here. Pretty babies. What you got there? Huh? Sounds like a big cannon. Don't eat that. Come here. Come on. Come on. We shot the gun around them when they were all puppies for this very reason. And, what are you doing? So that, that and strong nerves help with them getting accustomed to loud noises. And we do that with all of our puppies. Last year, I don't think they shot this many. What was that? Huh? No, don't want you eating that. Can't have that. No. They like the sheep pellets. Come on. Come here. Come on, Mr. Puppy. Come on, Mr. Puppy. Come on, Mr. Puppy. Waxy. Hi. Okay. Ready to go in?